Hello everyone. Today in this video, I will discuss one of our projects about Veryfi and Salesforce integration. Let me begin first with the project overview. The project was about child expenses and payment management. It is basically for separated persons who share expenses for the child. They can add expenses and set contributions for other parents who want to make that particular expense and raise a dispute if they have any confusion related to a specific expense. Moving forward, let me tell you about the client's requirements. The client wanted us to make it easier for the customers to create an expense. He wanted that when a user uploads a receipt while creating a new expense, it extracts the information from the receipt and creates a new version record if it does not exist in Salesforce. The user doesn't need to create it manually. To achieve this, we did integration with Veryfi API. Let me share with you what Veryfi is and how it comes into use in our project. Veryfi is a data extraction and a transformation platform. It is very fast and provides real-time data extraction. It accepts JPEG, JPG, PNG, and PDF CSV files. It supports multiple languages like English, Swedish, Spanish, Dutch, etc. You can scan a receipt and it extracts and provides you with a lot more data like merchant name and merchant address, logo, phone, discount, shipping cost, category payment, method, currency, etc. Now let me show you how Veryfi works with the help of a demo. First we select a receipt. Let me show you the receipt. This is the hotel receipt that I am going to upload. Now Veryfi extracts all the information from the receipt and return it to us. You can see the merchant name, category, total amount, address of that merchant, email, and login of that merchant. Veryfi identifies the category according to what data was given on the receipt. Let me show you another example, and this time I'm going to upload the Amazon receipt. This is the receipt and let's see what Veryfi returns to us. Here the category is online shopping and the merchant name is Amazon. Here is the amount and the merchant method of payment is Visa. If we upload our departmental store receipt, what Veryfi will return to us? Let's check it out. This is a Walmart receipt that I will upload here. The category is a department store and the merchant name is Walmart. The total amount paid by the user, the address of the merchant, and the payment method in the currency code. This is not the complete receipt information that Veryfi provides us. It also gives you a list of items that you purchased. Let me show you your receipt and it's all information. This is the Veryfi inbox where you find all the receipts you have uploaded in the Veryfi. Let me open the first one. You can see all the information related to this receipt, like the document invoice number, quantity of items, price, tags, total price, shipping charges, tags, discount, and the total amount. This is all the information that Veryfi returns to us in JSON format. We received the JSON data format, account number, billing address, currency code, invoice number, and line items. All the information about the item like discount, order price, and quantity, and text, total amount, order date, payment method, and vendor information. Here is all the merchant information like phone number, email address, category, and fax address. So this was all about Veryfi. So if you too are looking to integrate Salesforce solutions into your business or would like to integrate Salesforce with third-party apps, contact cloudanalogy, which can help you integrate Salesforce seamlessly and smoothly with all the third-party software solutions to meet the diverse business needs. Our Salesforce developers can help you accelerate productivity, maximize profits, and accelerate your sales productivity through Salesforce implementation, consulting, customization, and integration. Get in touch with us to discuss your project's requirements and needs. Thank you.